Past tense in Khmer language. Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to talk about the past in Khmer. The good news, Khmer verb don't change based on tense. Let's look at this example. ខ្ញុំបានទៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់ឆ្នាំមុន which means I went to Germany last year. In Khmer you have two options to express the past tense. Use the word បាន before the main verb to indicate a completed action. Example, the word ទៅ which means go, and if you put the word បាន before the main verb ទៅ it បានទៅ which means went. ខ្ញុំបានទៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់ឆ្នាំមុន ឆ្នាំមុន which means last year. This is a formal way to write it and to talk. ខ្ញុំបានទៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់ឆ្នាំមុន Two, for daily speaking, you can skip បាន and just use a time expression like last year, ឆ្នាំមុន which means ឆ្នាំមុន at the beginning or end of the sentence. For example, ឆ្នាំមុនខ្ញុំទៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់ or ខ្ញុំទៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់ឆ្នាំមុន Both ways are correct. That's it. Simple and easy. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.